Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mommies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be working on this lovely pot milk bucket and give it a really nice makeover.
We will be transforming with the help of Dixie Belle Paint. We will be using blues, browns, also bronze gilding wax. So let's get into it!
Let's do it!
After cleaning it and applying 2 coats of adhesion primer sleek stick, I waited 24 hours to cure and I started to paint it with this gorgeous color antebellum blue, and I dabbed the paint to create a soft texture. I blended in some pure ocean, which makes a really great combo. And I applied it the same by dabbing it, and then I applied again antebellum blue underneath it and just dab. We don't have to blend them too much for this style, a bit rougher is just great. We wanted a full coverage of blue, so we applied another coat of antebellum and pure ocean, but now we introduce a lighter shade of blue, the Gulf, which I made a big mess with. I added way too much, so then I tried to blend it, add more pure ocean, then antebellum blue, and just dab them until they look right. Once the paint was dried, I started to do like a heavy dry brushing with putty. I picked up a quite small amount of paint and I went over the pot using a light hand, creating those lovely brush strokes. The next color is pine cone. I applied it quite heavy on the top and then I started to dry brush it over the putty, being careful not to cover it all. Then I thought to do the same on the bottom, so the blues will be caught in the middle of browns. I picked up a very small amount of French linen from the lid to create like little freckles, and they work really well with this style. I applied a bit of chocolate too to have some more brown shades. It looks great. And finally, speckles of coffee bean, chocolate, and a few of pure ocean. And it's perfect now. It has perfect imperfections. I applied bronze gilding wax and it was a match made in heaven or wherever. I applied it with my finger on edges, handles, random spots. It's a dream. In a few hours I bathed it off with a cloth.
I sealed the pot with 3 layers of gator hide, letting each one to dry for about 2 hours in between coats.
And this is the final result! Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new today, and if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more painting tutorials. See you soon! Bye!